Good morning, learners. This is Madam Patricia Manda with another lesson of Humanities and Social Studies. Remember, we are in the fourth week of our online lessons, and this happened to be lesson number 8. So today I have a new topic. This is about weather and climate. Weather and climate. I want each one of you to pay much of your attention watching the video, since by the end of the topic I want each one of you to be able to explain the term weather and climate. You have to be able to define the term weather and climate. And also you have to be able to differentiate weather and climate. You have to differentiate between weather and climate. And also you should be able to explain the elements of weather. So to begin our lesson with the definition of weather. What is weather? Weather is described as the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place for a short period of time. Weather is described as the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place for a short period of time. There is a point to note about weather before I proceed with the lesson. So here is the point to note. The condition of weather usually changes within a short period of time. For instance, it may be sunny in the morning, cloudy in the afternoon, and rainy in the evening. The weather conditions also differ from one place to another. For example, one place may be dry and sunny, while another may be experiencing rainfall. So that's the point to note about weather. Now let us look at the definition of climate. What is climate? Climate is described as the average weather condition of a particular place observed over a period of time. For example, a period of 25 to 30 years. So we can only describe the condition of a particular place for a period of time. For a period of time of, for example, 25 to 30 years. Alright, the point to note about climate. The climate of a particular place can only be accurately described after it has been observed and recorded over a long time, so as to establish the patterns that keep recurring. These make up the climate of a place. Now let us look at the difference between weather and climate. Weather conditions change frequently, while climate of a place takes longer time to be known and established. Time factor is the main difference in the definition of weather and climate. As you can see in the definition of weather. In my definition about climate and weather, I was explaining much about the time. So the time factor is the main difference in the definition of weather and climate, because the weather conditions may change frequently, while climate of a place takes longer time to be known and established. So as you can see, I'm mentioning something concerning time. So this is the only factor that differentiates these two. Now, proceeding with our lesson, let us look at the elements of weather. Weather is made up of different elements, which includes temperature, rainfall, air pressure, wind, humidity, cloud cover, and sunshine. These are the elements of weather: temperature, rainfall, air pressure, wind, humidity, cloud cover, and sunshine. Measurements of elements of weather. Measurements of elements of weather. Alright, there are two main methods of observing and recording the elements of weather, and these include traditional and modern methods. Traditional and modern methods. So these two are the main methods of how we can observe and record the elements of weather. Alright, good learners, that marks the end of our lesson for today. But this lesson will proceed in our next lesson. So before I go, let me give you these questions for you to answer. First, you have to define the term weather and climate. The second question, you have to differentiate between weather and climate. And the last one, you have to outline 4 elements of weather. So, bye-bye for now. This has been Madam Latricia Manda, wishing you all the best as you are home, following all the COVID-19 precautionary measures. Bye-bye for now.